Today we have a new game to play. It is called Urbis Paradise Island thing, I don't know. And yeah, we're just gonna roleplay and see how this game goes. Oh my gosh. What has happened here? It's like a car has tumbled on top of the one. Oh my gosh. There's a ladder! Ugh. I literally haven't played this game before, so like I wanna know what you don't get like clothes because I don't like these. Like a freaking gangster. I want to find some. Ugh. So I'm just gonna sit on like some sort of roof. I can't even open the door. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Oh, hey. Let's get back to this. Open 24 hours, I say. Let's open this door. I need both the doors open for my great glory. Give me my order already. Gosh, rude. I need my order. Give me my. Oh my. I need to buy the items. I tell you. Oh my god. Taxi. Taxi. There better be clothes in here. There's no clothes in here. Oh my lord. All I want is a clothes. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look. I don't really want a tight dress. I just want a nice, easy dress. I can make it really cheap. I sort of like that. It's kind of cute. I don't know what clothes I want. I'm just gonna have to purchase this. My wardrobe, I want it now. That's you. Let me put on my new clothes. There we go. Now I look beautiful. Now I need to sort out my hair. Now I look so beautiful. Hey, it's open. Yes, it's down. Oh my gosh. Let's see. They do. I saw like this one. Kind of cute, I suppose. Just gonna. I don't want it like neon. So I'll put it there. Now I have wasted literally all of my money just making myself look nice and cute. We can exit. And why are you driving? I think this is where we get all the suits. Yeah. I don't want a suit. I just want to sort out my body. I need to go work out. Need to work out. Why won't anyone talk to me? I need to find someone to speak to. Well, I'm good enough to speaking to as a waitress at I can't even say the name. There's someone. Hey, wait up. Wait up. It's PM, it's 12 PM. And we still haven't got an apartment because I was too busy fussing with what I wear. To be honest though, they're sort of cute, I suppose. Hey, black guy! Wait up! Wait up! Why am I so unlike? These new cute clothes are like, oh my gosh. need to find something. I'm just having to live at a hotel, and funny enough, I used to live at a hotel, and it wasn't very pleasant. You know, it's a motel as well, not a hotel. I think that's a hotel. I just need new makeup because this is ugh. And I only have $18 left. My health is full, so open 24 hours. Let's go and see if I can get hired. I suppose. After before that, I'm so gonna go and see the cinema's new movie.
Oh God, no, 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 no. Oh, yeah, that's a good way to lose a thought.
The Last Ninja. That is my favorite movie. Well, yeah, but you know, I bet it would be my favorite movie. Yeah, can I? I'm gonna go. I'm stuck. Woo! Let's go and see this movie then. Let me sit down. I want to sit right up. Now it's the movie suppose. It's boring. Ah, just want a friend. I'm gonna get a friend.
This episode is just bang, right?
Let's go.
In the middle of the action. We need to go. We need to get her to the hospital.
Let's see if anyone will be my friend here. I assume there's someone around
Gabrielle, where's her sister?
willing to be my friend. Hi. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh, oh, oh no. Speak to my employer. Okay. Oh. Hello. Oh, oh, hello. What is it? I don't think you noticed. Oh my god, a fairy. A fairy? You need to go to Princess High School immediately. Oh, that's sudden.